Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Chocolate Girl T, and as y'all can tell by the title, I'm giving y'all a black girl friendly, drugstore, beginner friendly tutorial. And y'all, I bodied this, like, period. What JT said, I'm a black Barbie, period. So yes, go ahead and subscribe because as y'all know, it's free. Y'all can comment please, because I feel like y'all watch my videos and y'all do not comment. I don't like that. Please just give a little emoji, say hi, say something. A little bit of something won't hurt, you know? So yes, yo, it's really giving, like, period. I really did this. And I'm a beginner myself, so I'm just putting y'all on to what I know, what I learned from TaJan'e, creators on YouTube and Instagram, all that. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please make sure to keep watching, and I'll see you at the end of the video. Bye y'all. Hey y'all, so I decided to do a voiceover, so I'm gonna take y'all through the process of doing my makeup. But right now I'm using a lash adhesive glue and I'm putting that on my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with a spoolie and I'm just brushing my eyebrows out to make them thicker, and also I'm shaping them as well. Okay, so right here I'm using a dark brown mascara to fill in my eyebrows. I got this from TaJan'e. She was using an NYX brow gel, but I decided to use a mascara and it works just the same. So I'm using this to just color over my brows. Okay, so now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer for my brows. I used the darker one, which is mahogany, for the top, and I used Beautiful Bronze, which is the lighter one, for the bottom of my brows. Now I'm just gonna buff out the concealer to make it blend more and make it look even. Now I'm applying my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, and what you're going to do is apply this to your face and wait around 30 seconds until it gets sticky to start applying your foundation. So this is Juvia's Place foundation in the color Molly. I like to use this over the drugstore ones because this is full coverage and I feel like it works, and it's only $20. So as y'all can see, I apply my foundation around my face, but I avoid under my eyes because that's where I put my concealer. So I don't put any product there until I'm ready for concealer. So now I'm using this beauty blender that I got from Target, and I'm just going around my face and patting in the foundation to make sure that everything is blended out and it doesn't look too cakey. Okay, so now I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Rich, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, along my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, Cupid's bow, and my forehead. So when you're blending the concealer, you just want to basically keep it in the place that you put it. Don't move it down your face. Don't move it to the side. Keep it where you put it. So just pat it where it's already at. Also, when you get to the top of your eye, you're going to make sure that you extend the concealer to your forehead like I just did there. So I'm going in with another LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Beautiful Beige. And I'm basically putting this in the corners of my eyes to make it brighter and make it pop. And before you blend this, you want to make sure you make it sit for a little bit because it doesn't dry as fast as the Tarte Tape Shape. So while that dries, I'm just putting on mascara, the same one I use for my eyebrows, and using that for my actual lashes. Okay, so now I'm using two different loose powders. So the first one that I showed you all is from Walgreens, and I honestly don't know why I picked this up. I got it when I was in high school, I want to say sophomore year, so I just use it to don't let it go to waste. And then the other one I have is the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 40 dark, and like I said, they're both loose powders. So with the lighter powder, I put that on and I do not bake. I literally put it on and I pat it into my skin. Now with the darker one, I put that everywhere I put my concealer. So under my eyes, my nose, cheekbone, chin, Cupid's bow, forehead. Put it everywhere you put concealer. Also, when doing this, you are going to bake it. So you're not going to wipe it off yet. You're going to just let it sit on your face and marinate in the makeup. All I gotta say is trust the process. It may look crazy at the beginning, but just wait, y'all. Y'all seen the ending? Just wait. Okay, so while that's baking, I'm gonna put on my lashes. And I got these lashes from Amazon, y'all. They came in a pack of 7, all of the same pair. But if I remember to link them, I'm gonna link them in my description box below. So just check out my description box. But yes, do your lashes, same adhesive. So now I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and go ahead and wipe off all the product that is on my face from the powder. So now I'm about to go in with my contour palette, which is the dark to deep version. And I'm going to put that right in between where I put my concealer. And of course, I'm going to put that around my face, on my forehead, and on my jawline. I'm also going to be using the contour palette to contour my nose. So I just wipe it around my nose to make it look smaller. Now I'm going back in with the same powder, which is the darker one, and just shaping my nose. Okay, so now I'm about to do my blush, and I'm going in with the Profusion Cosmetics Nude Bliss 21 shade palette and brush from Walmart. And I'm using the color Siesta, and I'm also going to use the color Preppy. So now I'm going in with my NYX Matte Finishing Spray. And I don't know what this does, but I just feel like it brings everything together. And of course, make my makeup look real matte. So I'm using my mascara again to do my lip liner. I also go back into my contour palette and I use the highlighter for my inner corner of my eyes and also for my nose. So now I'm going in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie, and I'm going to put that on my lips. And when you do this, you don't want to slide your lips together, you want to mac them like how I'm doing so. So I'm gonna come back when my hair is basically ready. All right, y'all, so this is the final look of my drugstore friendly makeup tutorial for beginners. It literally took me 45 minutes. I have a screenshot of how long since I started to the end, and it took me 45 minutes to do. My hair is semi-dry, it's still wet or damp, so if you want to look like me, do what I do. So if you are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, comment down below, and I will see you guys for homecoming, which is next week. So come back, HBCU homecoming, you know we lit. Oh, okay, bye.